How to turn deep emotion into a source of strength rather than struggle, and that is really happens when we start living for others. As long as your life is about you trying to find your own comfort, your own peace, the intense of emotion is just too much, because because you're focusing on yourself. But when you realize to here to serve and realize that your sensitivity is a gift, that focusing others to help them find clarity and helping them, serving them, there's nothing more gratifying than fulfillment, the purpose that you are created, and the price to being useful to one of our fellow children. God is, we need to intensely help them into the uncomfortable. That's a fair price to pay, is to be able serving God, yung pagtulong natin sa kapwa natin. That is the price that we have to pay sa ating Panginoon, sa ating Ama, sa ating kapwa, anak ng Diyos. So that is the best, or sabihin natin deep turning point para mas maging valuable yung mas maging valuable na kinreate tayo na God ay yung makafocus tayo sa pag-serve sa ating kapwa kapatid, sa ating Panginoon. And yun yung isa sa mga magandang price na price to pay or reward na pwede nating maipakita or ma-share sa ating Panginoon bilang pasasalamat natin sa Kanya na ginawa niya tayo ay yung mag-serve tayo sa ibang tao. Napakalaking bagay yun. Kung titignan natin, parang bakit ako mag-serve? Pero isa yun sa mga purpose bakit tayo ginawa ng Diyos. And yung desperations, yung pain, is ito sa mga turning point na for us to become strength, is for us to learn na matuto tayong mag-serve sa ibang tao as we pay the price as how God served us para mawala, mapalitan yung mga kasalanan na gawa natin. Hope this motivational talk will learn something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.